Doing full ship rides?
I don't know.
Right, okay. We're doing Chimney's Way all the way down to Liss. Yeah. Well, we started at Farnham Station, about 65k. It's a bit of on-road, loads of other roads. Yeah, you have to go to There's one big monster hill, just the other side of Petersfield. But other than that, you get to the other side, it's basically flat road. Okay. Fred James, who started it, did it last year, away from, so he couldn't give him another blast. He stayed down. No, he just got trained back, we parts up, threw his parts up to Guildford. Yeah, that's one.
The only thing to do it is to stay in the pub.
Oh, there is that, yeah. Well, hang on, you just fell on the floor.
Hey?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes. We did, yeah.
Yeah, I think I wouldn't get off. I watched these guys. I went past these guys. I went to bed.
Okay. Weird program. So, yeah, next time we do this. Yes, that's what he starts off with too, yeah.
Two of you were the Moonraker, right?
Moonrakers, yeah. Yeah, we go back, there's actually a house in, we go past one of our, we're based up in Hertfordshire. Alright. There's a house called Moonraker House we go past, every time it's actually nick that sign. I keep wanting to get this re-stenciled to say Moonraker. Don't want to paint it.
So you guys heading to Portsmouth as well?
No.
We go to a pub called the Fox Goes Free.
Oh right.
Yeah, near Goodwood Race. So we go up to the South Downs and then go left. on the
Right.
South Downs.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah, we're very much a cafe ride going as well. It's got to be a target.
Yeah,
we're
our
heading to a
target's
pub
hard.
in about
That's a good target.
3 kilometres.
No, we've got to go up the hill first.
Like the train we were on.
Yeah.
Pretty slow, wasn't it?
I have to put something there.
But between I was in it's all like Heathrow.
Something whistle stop? Yeah.
That's quite a lot of tonnage going past there.
So it's called the Charlie Drover.
Yeah.
It's still.
When you came up, 2010?
Yeah.
I had mine last month, so that's me done for you.
Your bloke who got his beard trimmed and his haircut once a year. And apart from that, he had it shaved clean and plastered all the way down. And that was it for the year. Just
Get all the different haircuts.
let it grow long. Year old.
Very long.
Like for my annual shearing.
Yeah. Thankfully, he didn't take the same approach to Dave.
Oh, that's always a bonus.
Back at Easter, back at Christmas time, I was trying to get ChatGPT to make a picture of like 6 of us cycling. Remember from Mallorca? But can we get a picture of 6 middle-aged men cycling?
one where we're all
Mallorca?
sending those photos?
Yeah. And they always have beards. Everyone in the photo had a beard. You could not get it to make a photo of middle-aged cyclists with beards.
It's just that's what happens.
So I
There's always one.
Actually, two.
Well, yeah, I had to grow a beard then to fit the picture, but I didn't make the picture fit us.
Well, it's 2/3 right. Let's face it, as a model.
Well, changing to match what comes out of GPT is probably easier than getting GPT to give you a good match.
Kerry could find a way to make it work, and we don't ask him.
Well, it's a really useful practice. That was really wonderful the first time I discovered it.
Our artists have started making themselves tools. Right, with ChatGPT. They all just make themselves. That's why I'm going to this breakfast.
Have a good ride, guys.
You too, guys. Talk about. I'm